Okay, great. Now that we have learned how to fix our connection mistakes, which is a very useful skill, one more quick little item in this section I would like to do is, so I want to show you how to add images to your apps using the storyboard. Let's go ahead and do that. First, get rid of that button, that second button. We don't need that anymore. And then in the object library here, go ahead and X out of the button here. We don't need that. Search for the word image, and you'll see the image view pops up. So let's drag in an image view. You can resize however you see fit. I'm going to go to the roughly the edges here, and let's say I'll take it down to almost the bottom. So now we have an image view. Great. Go ahead and hit Command S to save. So first we need an image that we're going to use. So let's go online. Okay, I'm just going to search for a mountain. Okay, let's go ahead and just choose any image you want. I'll just choose this one here. I guess it's okay. So I will save image as. So you want to save your image in your project folder, first of all. So go ahead and do that. And back to your project. So once your image is saved into your project folder on your desktop or wherever you may have saved it, you need to actually bring it into the Xcode environment itself. So let's do that. I'll show you how to do that. So here's the picture I saved. All you need to do is click and drag, and you want to bring it in. See how that little line there and this plus sign? You want to bring it into your project. This menu will pop up. Make sure that copy items if needed and create groups and the target you want, which is your project. Make sure those are selected. Go ahead and hit finish. Okay, and now the image is in your project. So now back to the main storyboard. We have our image view. So go ahead and click on the image view. And once you've done that, go to the attributes inspector, the fourth one in. And very simply, all you do there is you go to the image line, and you could select an image from your project to go inside of the image view. We only have the one, so there it is. Now notice it's a little distorted, and you can work on making your distortions clearer by going to the content mode. And there's many you can choose from. Play around with all of them. Typically, you're going to want either something like an aspect fit or aspect fill. Notice the aspect fill is pretty nice, actually. And then there it is. The image is in there, so you can go ahead and run the project again, and you'll see the image in the simulator. Okay, so this was your very first actual app. Doesn't really do much, but it did teach you a lot. You learned about, first of all, the Xcode environment. You learned about commenting and printing to the console, how to add a label to the app, how to add a button and make the button do certain things, and of course, how to add an image. Notice, however, that you didn't really do much coding at all, only a few simple lines. So that's what we're going to do in the next section. You're going to start learning the actual programming language called Swift. I will see you then.